Oh, here's a big reveal.
Off.
Well, look all in there. Like, it's kind of gross and dirty. We're at Goodwill, and I just found an N64. It's $6.99, so I don't know if it works. It turns on, so we'll see. It's pretty dirty. I mean, there's a ton of stuff in there, so it's gonna take a lot of cleaning. And online it's selling for about 120. I'm gonna try to clean it up with my friend Jeremy. So Jeremy just showed up.
Well, I'm literally walking over here.
Jeremy's just leaving. Bye, Jeremy.
Bye.
He said, I'm gonna help you, psych. He's the Nintendo 64 doctor. What do you notice in the patient?
Well, first, it's very gross.
Yeah.
So I want to clean it.
First you use
It's actually really not that bad. I'm just mainly noticing it on the buttons. Which is why I brought the cotton swabs, because...
Oh, they're real good.
You wouldn't happen to have a toothpick, would you?
Yeah, actually, I'll go get a toothpick.
Alright.
I have one that's like the plastic type. Toothpick. This should get it.
Oh, wow.
Woo! What? How
that
much
power,
better?
that power button is really messed up.
What do you mean messed up?
It's got a lot of gunk in it that's preventing it from sliding.
I wonder why there's so much gunk in it. Like, what did the previous owner do? Play this at the beach or something?
They play this in the trash.
Maybe I should get a paper towel so we can put the dirt on.
Yeah, I would get a paper towel so I can put it underneath. This is actually very fun for me because normally I only get to do this stuff on my own, on my own things, so I don't get to.
You get to
help people normally.
Yeah, this could be your new side hustle.
It could be.
Helping people. How many times have you cleaned an N64? Or done this?
I probably have never done it as in depth as this one. Because I'm actually gonna take this one apart, so.
Oh man, we're gonna take this boy apart.
Which I already brought the right tools for that too. This is a special Nintendo toolkit.
Oh wow, I didn't even know that existed. You really were the right person to...
Of course I was. Now we're gonna get all these screws out. Oh, look at that. This used to be a GameStop item. Oh. This was once sold to a kid at GameStop. Imagine that.
Got it for Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
And now, it's in my hands. From Goodwill for $7.
Yeah. You can get a cheap off-brand controller on eBay and a cord. You'll just have to cough up money for the games. The most expensive one in there is probably like $50.
Wow.
Mario Party 2.
We got Beetle Adventure Racing. That seems off-brand and interesting.
No, that's probably the best game in the lot.
Pokemon Stadium. And Mario Party 2.
Oh yeah.
That's the expensive one?
Mario Party 2 is the expensive one, not Pokemon. There are like 1 million Pokemon stadiums in America.
But the other one is pretty rare, I guess. So you're going to town on this thing.
Yeah.
That's so cool. So that kit that you brought, is it just for Nintendo 64? It's all Nintendo products, like the Wii and...
Not all products. Super Nintendo, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color, and 64. I originally bought it just to change the batteries out of Game Boy Color games. Hopefully that's the last screw. You can see how gross the screws are.
Yeah, the screws are pretty...
Alright.
Oh, here's a big reveal.
Off.
Wow.
Yeah,
Ooh,
so this is pretty gross.
It's really gross in there.
Yeah.
So, this one...
Oh, and it looks like the memory pack came out. You can only play games with the you have to have with this to play.
So it's good that it was in there, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, if it wasn't, you'd be screwed. Yeah, there's spider webs in it.
Let's see.
You can see some
So there's some
old things in there.
spider web.
But that's why I brought the air can, so let's go take this outside. Woo! Look at it, it's just falling out. thing's getting a new breath of life. Oh, I could clean that too. Look how dusty that is right there. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
That's good enough. All right. Look at that. It's actually rusted. So at one point,
There's probably moisture.
there's probably moisture in it. Yeah.
Which is pretty crazy to think about that somebody would let moisture get in there, unless it was like in a basement or something.
Probably. Ask.
Yeah. We only have a few in the house.
It'll work with the rust. It'll be fine.
Okay. We were just outside and a dude came up to us. I probably should have recorded it, but
Yeah.
he was like, "What are you guys doing? Doing some computer stuff?" And we're like, we're just
He could smell it a mile away.
He knew. So you're just taking each individual screw.
Yeah, just because they're like really gross. What you want to do with circuits, only clean them with alcohol solution that evaporates quickly.
What's the reason for that?
Because you don't want to leave anything wet on anything near circuits. So this is obviously not a circuit, but I'm just gonna. Oh, look at all that gunk coming off. Hey Siri, when did the Nintendo 64 release in North America? Oh, June 96! I was right!
That's what you said. Cleaning this jank up. I'm glad you know what to do.
Yep, you got the right guy.
I didn't know anything. All I figured was you probably need some Q-tips and some aerosol and...
Yeah, you definitely gotta be careful with certain things though.
This YouTube
Dude, I'm starting to think some of this is mold.
Really?
Yeah.
And not rust?
Both.
Oh.
Hopefully it's not black mold. Some of this looks like even sticker residue, which I don't know if that can grow mold, but...
What's wrong with the black mold?
Oh, that's the worst kind of mold you can get in your lungs. I'd move out of my house right away if I found out it had black mold in it. I mean, I hope this works. Otherwise, this is all for nothing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see where all that gunk is. This was making it more difficult to... Oh, see? Now that's a difference right there.
Yeah.
That's moving back and forth very nicely.
Before it was very clunky.
Yeah, it's very hard. It needs another procedure. No, it's just regular alcohol.
Okay.
Just evaporates quick. I don't particularly need it for this section, but
On the inside.
it's all I've got right now to clean. I mean, I could do this as water, but I'd rather do alcohol because I don't have to wipe that away. I wouldn't want to do water in the inside part though.
Yeah.
Just the plastic. Up here.
Plastic broke off? Where did they got that?
On the controller port. No, I'm just getting the edges.
It's a lot cleaner than it was before. Still got some grimes.
This is filthy. You look.
Like
See
a yellow brown.
Yep.
Just straight off of.
You know, one of the biggest pains I ever had for cleaning Nintendo product where it was a Super Nintendo. So you'll find a lot of Super Nintendos that are like half yellow or full yellow. And what you gotta do is you first gotta buy this certain hair product that you have to then lather all over the Super Nintendo every day, give it a new coat, and keep it under UV light all day as well.
Wow.
So you have to constantly reapply this hair stuff until finally all the yellowing comes off. It's actually a pretty genius trick.
Well, fortunately, this one is a black system, so it doesn't get
Exactly.
that stain on it.
They learn from their mistakes. This kid was pretty rough with the plug. Anything that's too bent, all you need is a pair of pliers.
To straighten them out.
Yep.
Dry or you die.
This part will kill you.
Make sure it's dry or you die.
Or you die. That's how the saying goes. All right, these pegs are clean.
All right, we're gonna put it back on. Boom.
2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6.
That's what it takes to Get some TLC for old Nintendo 64. Ugh.
And $20 that you owe me.
What?
I'm just kidding. I actually have a lot of fun doing this kind of stuff, so
Yeah.
I'd do another 5 of these if I could.
Well, maybe we'll go to Goodwill and find some more of them.
I hope so. You're the only friend that ever finds game systems. I never find game systems.
I don't know if I found too many game systems.
You found like a Genesis or something.
Oh yeah, I did find a Sega Genesis one
I
time.
was pretty jealous.
Yeah, I didn't end up buying it though, but now I might just so we can hang out.
Yeah. Only reason why I don't want to hang out with you. Give me work to do.
Alright.
I'm still not super happy with the power button.
The power button? I mean, it's a lot better.
It's a lot better. So I'm gonna make sure I give it one more coat of love.
Would you use an X-Acto knife ever to clean or no?
Heck no. Oh my gosh.
No.
Yeah, unless you're trying to just
Destroy
cut up whatever you're trying to clean.
Yeah, I've seen people who've used X-Acto knives when they're cleaning these, and I felt like that was kind of weird.
I wouldn't feel safe doing it, personally. Yeah. I'm getting extra gunk out of the vents.
It's looking close.
Oh, whoa. I got a lot of grossness out of that one. Dang. Hot dog. Just a nice black wad. Alright, that's it.
So now it's time to test it?
Yep.
Oh man.
Put the jumper pack in.
Get the diaper. The Nintendo 64 diaper. Plop.
And it's like giving a new life.
Yeah, so I've never tested the Nintendo other than just powering it on at the Goodwill. So I know the power turns on, but I don't know if it works or anything. So this is kind of the big moment, the big reveal. All right, so he's got it plugged in. Is that the AV cable or what is that?
The teaser.
Yeah, this is the teaser. Will it work? Oh no! What will it do?
All right, here we go. Moment of truth.
Moment of truth, baby. This has never been powered on or plugged into a TV since I bought it from Goodwill. Oh my! Holy crap! For $6 from Goodwill, it's working so far. Do you feel pretty good about it right now?
Yeah, it's not gonna stop working.
It's not gonna stop working?
No.
So it worked.
Yeah, it's done.
Dude! The controller's
not connected. That ain't good.
Uh-oh.
Oops.
Second controller's not connected. Strange.
Well, all 3 pins are there, so it should connect. Huh. That's weird.
Well, we got excited for it to work. But now the second port isn't working.
Where's that toothpick at?
We're having some technical difficulties. We thought it was working. Oh, we thought wrong. What are you thinking is the issue here? Why the second port isn't working?
No clue.
So
We could check if it's a controller issue.
by switching the controllers,
Yeah.
or if it's the port issue.
Or if it's a port issue. Oh, you know what? You gotta reset it entirely.
Why?
Just the way the game operates.
Reset entirely if you plug in other controllers.
There it is. It works.
So it works now.
Yep. We're good.
Just because you needed to
Here we go.
put the aerosol can in there?
We're playing games
Dude,
now.
We're doing this.
Pew
Pew! So, I don't know anything about Pokemon,
Click
but
yes.
time to kick your butt at Pokemon. I'm fainted. Does that mean I'm dead?
See ya.
So, surprising news. Jeremy beat me. A person who's never watched Pokemon, played Pokemon. I lost. And that was that. And the Nintendo 64 definitely works because we just played the whole game.
Hey, we can play mini games.
Ooh.
I'm pretty jealous. I mean, I would have bought this myself too. I'll give you $6 for it.
Oh my god.
It works.
Everything works. Crazy.
This thing's working great.